In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and insert an image in a cell in Google Sheets. If you want to place a picture neatly inside a single spreadsheet cell, Google Sheets makes it very simple. This is especially useful when you're organizing product lists, inventory sheets, class materials, or any document where you want images to stay attached to the data in a clean and structured way. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it so the image fits inside the cell rather than floating on top of the sheet. To begin, open your Google Sheets file and look for the cell where you want the image to appear. Once you've found the right spot, click that target cell to select it. This is important because Google Sheets will place the image into whichever cell is currently active. If you accidentally select the wrong cell, the image may end up in the wrong place. So it's worth taking a second to confirm your selection before moving on. Next, go to the top menu bar and click Insert. This menu contains several options for adding content to your spreadsheet, including images. After clicking Insert, move your cursor over Image. A small submenu will appear, and from there, choose Insert Image in Cell. Be sure to select the option that says In Cell, because Google Sheets also offers an option to insert an image over cells, which behaves differently and does not stay contained within a single cell. Once you choose to insert the image in a cell, a window will open with different ways to add your picture. Go to the Upload tab. Here, you can either click Browse to search for the image file on your computer, or simply drag and drop the file directly into the upload area if that's more convenient for you. Both methods work well, so you can use whichever feels easier. After that, select your image file and click Open. Google Sheets will upload the image and place it directly into the cell you selected earlier. If needed, you can adjust the row height or column width afterward to make the image easier to see, since the image will size itself within the boundaries of that cell. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and inserted an image into a cell in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.